Welcome to our detailed comparison of the DELLFY Dash Cam and the Miden X5. In today's video, we will dive into the specifications and features of both dash cams to see which one stands out in terms of performance and value. We'll look at their recording capabilities, night vision performance, and overall design to help you decide which dash cam is right for you. Let's get started. Both the DELLFY and Miden X5 offer impressive front camera resolutions of 4Ks, ensuring high-quality footage. However, the DELLFY provides a higher resolution for its rear camera at 2.5K compared to the Miden X5's 108 OP. This difference can be crucial for capturing details like license plates from behind. Let's see how this impacts the overall performance in real-world scenarios. When it comes to pricing, the DELLFY Dash Cam is priced at $84, while the Miden X5 is more budget-friendly at $59. This significant price difference raises questions about the value offered by each product. Is the higher price of the DELLFY justified by its features, or does the Miden X5 provide better overall value? Let's find out. Both dash cams come with unique features. The DELLFY boasts advanced night vision capabilities with HDR/WDR technology, while the Miden X5 offers 360-degree coverage with its 3-channel recording system. This feature is particularly beneficial for rideshare drivers or those who want comprehensive monitoring. Let's explore how these features perform in different driving conditions. In conclusion, both the DELLFY Dash Cam and Miden X5 have their strengths and weaknesses. The DELLFY offers superior rear resolution and advanced night vision, while the Miden X5 provides excellent value with its 3-channel coverage and lower price. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like